Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Curry County and East Central New Mexico until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ranchville, or 9 miles northwest of Clovis, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clovis and Pleasant Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for East Central New Mexico. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Curry, New Mexico,